Why is Python one of the most popular tools in the realm of data science? It's simple, versatile, and packed with powerful libraries, making it a top choice for data scientists worldwide. Today, delve into the world of Python and explore how it simplifies data science tasks. Start by installing Python on the computer. There are many ways to do this, but a popular method involves downloading Anaconda. It's a free and open source distribution of Python specifically designed for scientific computing. Once installed, launch a new Python notebook and get ready for some coding. The first step involves importing the necessary libraries. Start with Pandas, a software library written for data manipulation and analysis. To import it, type import pandas as PD and hit enter. Now Pandas is ready to use and all its functions can be accessed by calling PD. Next, load a dataset for analysis. For instance, suppose there is a CSV file named data.csv. Load it using the pandas function read_CSV by typing pd.readCSV data.csv. This command reads the CSV file and converts it into a data frame, a two-dimensional data structure that can store data of different types. Output. Now let's say the task is to calculate the mean of a specific column. Let's call it column 1. Accomplish this by typing def.mean. This command will calculate the mean value of all entries in column 1. Another common task in data science is data visualization, which Python simplifies with the matplotlib library. Import it by typing import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. To plot column 1, type plt.plotdf and then plt.show. This will produce a line plot of the data in column 1e. Python also makes machine learning tasks easier. scikit-learn is a powerful library for machine learning in Python. Import it by typing import sklearn. To create a basic linear regression model, first import the necessary module by typing from sklearn.linear model import linear regression. Then create an instance of the model by typing model equals sign linear regression. Fit the model to the data by typing model.fit xy, where x is the predictor variable and y is the response variable. In summary, Python is a powerful tool in data science due to its simplicity and versatility. This tutorial demonstrated how to install Python, import necessary libraries, load a dataset, perform basic statistical analysis, visualize data, and create a basic machine learning model. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep exploring, keep learning, and keep coding in Python.